Welcome back, Profit Quest family. In today's video, we're diving into an exciting project called Roam, which is supported by Solana itself. This is a mobile Depin project that you can join for free, and I'll guide you step by step through the entire process of setting it up and using it to start earning. This application runs in the background on your device, earning you points over time. The token generation event, TGE, for Roam is expected around Q2 of this year, making it a promising opportunity to get involved early. Let's get started with the steps. First, you'll find a link in the description of this video. Clicking that link will redirect you to the Roam website. Open the website on your mobile device. Once there, you'll see an option to download the app. Tap on it to install the app. The installation process takes only a few seconds, and once it's successfully installed, click the Open button to launch the app. You'll be greeted with a straightforward interface. Click on Start Journey, which will prompt you to log in using your email address. Enter your email, complete the login process, and wait a few seconds while the app redirects you to your dashboard. The first thing you'll need to do is allow the app to access your location. This is necessary to start earning points. Grant all required permissions when prompted, including location access and Wi-Fi permissions. Once set up, the app will display your dashboard. Here, you'll see your profile and your current Roam points. To maximize your earnings, make sure to follow these steps carefully. If there's a referral code available, use it during the setup process to unlock additional points. I'll share my referral code with you in the description below, which you can use to earn bonus points as you join. Now, let's explore the app features. Navigate through the app to find various social media links where you can follow Roam for updates. Joining their Discord server is recommended. Just click on the invite link and complete the verification process. Once you've done that, head back to the app. In the settings menu, allow any additional permissions the app requests. This includes enabling options like nearby device access and Wi-Fi connection permissions. These permissions help the app detect nearby Wi-Fi networks, which is crucial for earning points. The app also includes a daily check-in feature. By checking in daily, you can claim additional points. When you first join, you'll receive a welcome gift of 50 points. To claim it, go to the Quests section and tap on the Claim button. Continue exploring the app to see your rank on the leaderboard, which reflects your activity and points earned. To increase your points, you can invite friends using your referral code. Sharing this code allows you and your friends to earn extra points. You'll find the referral option in the app. Just copy and share your unique code. If you explore further, you'll find a wallet section within the app. Create your wallet by clicking the Create Wallet button and following the backup verification steps. Once your wallet is set up, you're all set to use it for future transactions. After that, connect your Wi-Fi by clicking on the Add Wi-Fi button, selecting your private Wi-Fi network, and entering your password. Once successfully connected, your device will start detecting nearby Wi-Fi networks, and the app will reward you with points for this activity. The app tracks your connected Wi-Fi networks and shows your progress. To maximize your earnings, ensure your device remains connected to the Wi-Fi network and keep checking in daily. This project has been operational for 2 to 3 months already, but it's still a great time to join. I've only recently started using it myself, and I believe it has significant potential. By following these simple steps, you can start earning with Roam and potentially gain substantial rewards in the long term. Don't forget to join our Telegram channel. The link is in the description below. On the Telegram channel, I regularly share daily combo codes, new airdrop opportunities, and many updates about the crypto world. Make sure to join and stay updated with the latest information. That's it for today, Profit Quest's family. If you found this video helpful, like and share it with others. Let me know your thoughts or questions in the comments, and I'll see you in another exciting video. Until then, take care and keep questing.